Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the conditions. Make sure your iPhone supports live photos and that low power mode is off so system animations run. Open Photos and select the exact live photo you want. Avoid edited exports, use the original. Once done, tap the share icon and choose Use as Wallpaper. Make sure you're setting it for the lock screen because home screen won't animate. This step ensures the system keeps the motion data intact, and the phone will recognize it as a live wallpaper. Now focus on the actual set process. After choosing Use as Wallpaper, select Set Lock Screen and verify Live Photo is selected rather than Still. Tap and hold the lock screen preview to see the animation play. This confirms the phone retained motion frames. While here, adjust crop and disable perspective zoom if it interferes with frames. Once you confirm the live preview animates, tap Set. Make sure you exit to the lock screen and test with a firm press or haptic touch to trigger the motion. Finish by verifying behavior. Lock the phone and use haptic touch or press firmly to animate the wallpaper. If it does not animate, restart the device to clear transient system issues, then reapply the same live photo. Also check accessibility, touch haptic touch timing, and increase sensitivity if presses aren't recognized. If you exported the live photo to another app, revert to the original from Photos because converted formats lose motion. One key tip: disabling perspective zoom or reselecting the original live photo almost always resolves remaining failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.